So hello and welcome guys. So today class is about the card visualizations in Power BI. So let me start my tutorial. So in this tutorial we will learn about the card visualizations as we are doing previously. In our tutorials we are exploring each and every visualizations like bar chart, we explore maps, we explore slicers, so you can see all over here. So today we will explore the card visualizations, which is I drag over here. You can select the card visualizations from here, the one and the multi-card visualizations, and we will do some of the formatting of this. So let's select it. So let's copy it and we will see how our card will show. So I took 3 card visualizations, 1, 2 and 3, and I'll populate a numbers in it. So and here I took a multi-column multi-card visualization. So let's take a value over here from superstore data. Let's see, I want to know that how many product we have, so or how many profits we have. So let's take it into this. So here this card will show the total profit, and let's see we want to take quantities. So how many quantities we have been delivered, and let's see the third card we want to take how many categories we have, but it gives us the first categories, last categories. Want to take in this sales. So here is some of the profit card, here is some of the quantity, and we will do some of the formatting later, and here is some of the sales. So if I took some of the quantity rather than how many customers do we have, so we can take account of the customers. So let's see, we have 286.40 key profit, we have total 1000 customers, we have 2.30 million sales. So this is our another visualizations. This is called a multi-row card visualization. So let's see what we do here. We will took our product ID or maybe category. We will see category wise profit, category wise sales, and category wise customers. So let's see. Okay, so let's see the count. So in the furniture category we have the sum of profit, we have the sum of sales, and we have total 2000 customers who ordered over furniture supplies, furnitures, 6000 customers who ordered over office supplies, and 1800 customers who offer over technology products. So this is all for the cards, and we can talk about some of the formatting of it. So let's go from here. This is a formation picture, and let's go to the journal pen. This is the properties. So we want a title over here, and we want the title of this total profit. So it will give the total profit, and I want to get the text color to maybe blue, or okay, spacing, effects, headers, icons. So let's see, I want to give the background of lighter blue. It didn't look good, so change it. And yes, we can give rich borders, but it's not good. Give the shadows, so you can see the shadow, or you can see the shadows as well. Header icon. So let's see. Okay, there is no change in this. Okay, so I want to change the text color, so you can change the text color as well from properties. So let's see, position, padding, that was option. So as you can see, these are three cards. These are the multi-layer card, and I want to give this multi-layer card a different color. So let's see, top bottom. Okay, so it's look great, but I want to give it a color of it shows a little. Let's see, multi-card category. So you can see the multi-card category over here. Okay, so here is all the values. There's no need of subtitles. I don't think so. There is subtitles here. So let's see, the color, background color is blur. So you can see over here, you can see over here, you can see over here. So this is all for today, but I want to do some better formatting of this. Let me just check its fix in which we can color of. Okay, so we get the color of this, and you can see. So this is the multi card, and this is the normal card. Thank you for watching.